Hello everyone, may God bless you. May the Lord visiting you while you're watching this video. This is another day that I'm going to share my culture food with you, which is calling Tiaka. This is a Haitian culture food. So I don't cook it very often in my house, but sometimes I really have a taste for it. So this week I have a taste for it. So that's what I make it, and I decide to share with you. And this is how my tiaka look like, family. Very tasty, and this food have a lot of fibers on it. If you have someone who love to go to the bathroom, please stay home because he's gonna make you go to the bathroom. Okay, so this is the corn and smoked turkey and the beans. The beans. So I have two type of beans: red, white, and the cream, the pinto beans. So, and I'm going to make sure I clean it. Check everything that I don't want on it. Look at this. You see, you might be thinking it's clean, but it's not clean. I have to make sure my food that I'm putting on my mouth is everything is good on it. So after I clean it, and I'm going to wash it. I'm going to rinse it out, wash it 3 times in the water. I'm going to make sure I wash it 3 times, just in case if I miss anything that should not be on it. Okay, so, and this is the beans. I have onions, garlic, hot pepper, oil, celery, and I'm going to let it cook. And because I'm using the pressure cooker, I'm not gonna use no flour on it. But if you know anything hard I'm cooking, I put flour on it just so it can be so soft, so it can cook faster. And now this is the corn. It's time to clean up the corn and rinse it out. Family, okay? You got to wash your food. And this water, I let it hot, and then I put the. It's not really too hard because I'm going to put the flour on it. So I put the flour in it, and I put oregano on it. Okay, you know oregano is healthy. If you do not wash the tea I made with that oregano, go ahead and wash it. It's very healthy. It's good for your health. So, and this is my smoked meat. I clean it, wash it very well, put some seasoning on it, and after the corn cook a little bit, and I add the meat in there. And now I'm going to add this squash on it, the pumpkin, and it's very, look at the pumpkin. I like the color of it. And my beans is cooked, corn is cooked, and then it's time to mix them together. And I'm going to take some meat out, and look at the pumpkin. You don't have to do anything. Just get a spoon, anything, smash it, and then I put some coconut on it. So this is the bouquet garni. So garlic powder, even my episode didn't have garlic, but you know garlic is healthy. So anything healthy, I use it while I eat. And I put some black pepper, but if you have a stomach problem, you don't have to put it. And I put a little hot pepper on it because I want my food have a little flavor. And look at this, family. Please do not pass by my video. Do not like it. Do not subscribe. Do not share it. That's the only thing you can do for me. This is my Tiaka family. Share it. And you don't have to make that much. You can do a little bit. Depend how much people you have. Me, I have a lot of family. So I have to make a lot. So, and it's not something I'm making every day. I have to enjoy it. Bye.